Before there was carbonara, there was gricia. This is the mother of all Roman pastas, the original, the ancestor. Just guanciale, pecorino, pepper, and pasta. No eggs, no tomato. Nothing to hide behind. If you can master gricia, you can master anything. Capisce? For 4 servings, you need 1 pound of rigatoni, 6 ounces of guanciale cut into thick strips, 2 cups of finely grated Pecorino Romano, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and salt for the pasta water. Step 1. The guanciale. Cut it into thick rectangular strips, not small cubes. You want substantial pieces that stay chewy in the center while the edges crisp up. Place them in a cold skillet, cold, not hot, and turn the heat to medium-low. Let the fat render slowly for about 10 minutes. The guanciale should be golden and slightly crispy on the outside, but still soft inside. Remove the pieces and set them aside, but keep every drop of that liquid gold fat in the pan. Step 2. Boil your rigatoni in well-salted water. Cook it 3 minutes short of the package time, very al dente. Reserve 2 cups of pasta water before draining. Step 3. Add a ladle of pasta water to the skillet with the guanciale fat. Let it simmer and emulsify into a creamy base. Add the black pepper. Step 4. Toss the rigatoni directly into the skillet. Add the guanciale back in. Toss everything over low heat for 2 minutes, adding splashes of pasta water as needed. The starch in the water combines with the fat to create a silky coating on every tube of pasta. Step 5. Kill the heat. Wait 30 seconds. Add the pecorino in 3 batches, tossing vigorously between each addition. The residual heat melts the cheese without clumping. If it gets too thick, more pasta water. If too thin, keep tossing. Serve immediately with extra pecorino and pepper. Gricia is the grandmother of Roman pasta. Food historians believe it originated in the small town of Grisciano, in the mountains northeast of Rome. Centuries before carbonara or amatriciana existed, shepherds and travelers needed portable, calorie-dense food. Dried pasta, cured pork, and hard cheese traveled perfectly. When you add tomato to gricia, you get amatriciana. Add eggs, you get carbonara. But gricia came first, the purest expression of the Roman pasta tradition. It's the DNA of everything that followed. Gricia belongs to the Sabine Hills and the high country of Lazio. The town of Grisciano sits in the province of Rieti, where the mountains meet the farmland. This is Pecorino country. Sheep have grazed these hills since before the Roman Empire. The guanciale tradition also runs deep here. Every family cured their own pork jowls, seasoned with black pepper and hung in cool cellars for months. Gricia isn't restaurant food that became popular, it's mountain food that came down to the city. Gricia is rich, fatty, and peppery. You want a wine that can punch through all that. My pick, Cesanese del Piglio, the only red DOCG wine in Lazio. It's medium-bodied with dark fruit and a spicy finish that mirrors the pepper, $15 to $25. If you prefer white, go with a Trebbiano Spoletino from Umbria, aromatic, textured, with enough body to handle the guanciale. Or keep it classic with a good Frascati Superiore. Serve the whites cold, the red at cell. That's Gricia, the original, the one that started it all. 4 ingredients, no shortcuts, centuries of mountain tradition on a single plate. Try it, tag Capisce Cooking and show me your results. Capisce? Grazie. Ciao.